5, AP. A rural county hospital offers several health services. The hospital administrators conducted a poll to determine whether the residents' satisfaction with the available services depends on their gender. A random sample of 1,000 adult county residents were selected. The gender of each respondent was reported, and each was asked whether he or she was satisfied with the services offered by the hospital. Using a significance level of 0.05, conduct an appropriate test to determine if, for adult residents of this county, there is an association between gender and whether or not they were satisfied with the services offered by the hospital. So to begin, we use phantoms as per usual. Start off with our parameter, which would be the association between resident satisfaction and the available services based on gender. Next, we state our hypothesis, the null hypothesis being that there is no association between gender and satisfaction of the services provided by the hospital, and the alternative, there is an association between the gender and the satisfaction of services provided by the hospital. Next, we state our assumptions. It's randomly selected, so that's all clear, and all expected values are above 5, so you may proceed. Next, we go on with our test. Start by naming it, chi-square test. Use the formula here. X squared equals observed minus expected squared divided by expected. This time, go ahead and input it into the calculator by using a 2x2 matrix to obtain a z-score of, not a z-score, but the chi-square of 4.117. Next, we use this to obtain the p-value, which comes out to be 0.0424. Using this, we make a statement. We reject the null hypothesis that there is no association between gender and the satisfaction of the available services the hospital provides, based on a p-value of 0.0424, which is smaller than our alpha value of 0.05. The second question asks, is 800 over 1,000 a reasonable estimate for the proportion of all adult county residents who are satisfied with the services offered by this hospital? For this, I would state that because it is a random sample that is taken from the population of all of the county residents, 0.8, or 800 over 1,000, would be a reasonable estimate for the proportion of all of the county who are satisfied, all of the county that are satisfied with the services offered by the hospital.